The reshuffle of the cabinet is a prerogative of the chief minister.
But have you?
He can induct anyone, he can remove
No,
anyone.
but you heard anything about that as a minister? तुमका
I don't
खबर
know.
किती येला?
It is the party will decide.
Okay.
तुमच्या नजरेक नाही काय
तुझ्या किती नजरेक बाळला?
See, it is the party will decide
हाँ.
who should stay, who should be removed.
You are happy always.
I'm not.
Okay. Second thing, any update on Bangini? If you can give us or something which you would like to say.
Everything is processed. Now let us not create a confrontation.
हाँ.
Okay? You are very good at that.
फाटल्या दिसांनी तुका फळदेसाय मेळपाक गेल्लो कितें आहलें? पयर कितें?
See, Mr. Faldesa is a colleague of mine. Okay. He's a colleague of mine.
तू मे
He had
जायत
come-
आसता.
No, he had come with some grievances as far as the Kazan land is concerned, with the people from his constituency. So I heard him, and whatever was told to the Mamlatar, we have done the need.
Okay, as a minister, any update on that labor thing, sir? वाडोवपाचें कितें आहलें पळय फाटीं पळय केल्लेलें पळय तें.
Labor we had already increased last time. So now let be another 2 years go. So total after 2 years at least that increment will stop.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so